Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 5 Nights at Freddy's on the piano. First, begin by selecting a specific song from the game, like the iconic Toreador March. Look for simplified sheet music or follow an online tutorial designed for beginners. Focus on understanding the basic structure, identifying the main melody played by your right hand and the accompanying bass line for your left hand. Consistent practice of fundamental finger exercises will greatly improve your playing. To truly capture the game's essence, master the main theme. The Toreador March is a fantastic starting point, instantly recognizable to fans. You will often encounter common minor chords like C minor, G minor, and F minor, which create the signature eerie atmosphere. Initially, practice the right-hand melody and the left-hand chords independently. Once comfortable, slowly combine both hands, aiming for a smooth, synchronized performance at a slow tempo. Bringing the music to life involves adding dynamics and expression. Vary your touch from soft to loud to build suspense, mimicking the game's jump scares. Employ the sustain pedal judiciously. A brief press can create a lingering, eerie sound, but overuse can muddy the sound. Experiment with different tempos, sometimes playing slowly and deliberately, then accelerating slightly to reflect the game's unpredictable nature. These nuances will make your performance truly captivating. Consistent practice is key to mastering any piece. If a section feels challenging, break it down into smaller, 2 or 4 measure segments and practice them individually. Many online resources offer excellent piano tutorials and virtual sheet music, providing visual and auditory guidance. A powerful tool is recording yourself. Listening back allows you to objectively identify areas for improvement, such as timing inconsistencies or missed notes. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to see significant progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.